Buying nowadays, this kind of soap is so confusing. See the different. This one, uh, this one almost the same as the original. But this one, you see the difference?
You give me this one.
Up there. It's so disappointing to buy this kind of soap nowadays because there are many fake PRE soap scattered in the pharmacies. Why? This is the first one that my baba bought in the pharmacy. This one, the second, not really the original one, not the same one.